The workshops like the one that Gore has hosted has a very important role in physician development and career growth.
These training opportunities are really useful for ensuring optimal device outcomes and optimal patient outcomes.
I think it's a phenomenal course. I would recommend anybody who's interested in treating iliac reconstruction, any complex SFA lesions. I think it's a good hands-on simulator course.
Just to be able to bring our physicians into a situation where they're getting peer-to-peer counseling, there's the opportunity to share ideas.
You did all 6 French.
Yeah, right. That's awesome. Yeah, that's totally awesome. Yeah, that was great.
It gives our physicians the opportunity to improve their skill set. But along with that, it allows myself as the Gore Field Sales Associate to attend the training with the physician. So we're sitting in the same room.
I wish I could have brought the whole cath lab staff here and all of my partners, because I think there's just so much to gain to see how things are handled differently. I think it's just very exciting.